This is very preliminary. Like I didn't put that much, so I put an Excel sheet together, which had all my shorts data of like all the shorts we've ever created. We have like hundreds of them, right? And it only had preliminary like data in it. It had like the titles of it, the tags we used, the themes, the length, and I gave it to ChatGPT o1 to do like a deep reasoning analysis of it to see. So yeah, if you go, you can scroll all the way to the top. You can see like the full like. Yeah, this is like what I told it to. Like I basically gave it a very detailed prompt to like analyze all like the performance of each of these shorts and tell me patterns in terms of like what does well, what does bad. And I just did this. I'm gonna send it to the whole team too. But I gave it like all these instructions on what to find, and there's so much work to add to it. This is very like a basic Excel sheet, right? I can add more like music to it. I can add like a transcript of the text in each one. Like there's so much more I can add to it, and it took like 20 minutes to analyze it. I used Python, a bunch of stuff, and the reasoning, like, it takes its time. So it took 20 minutes to analyze it. And then it gave me such a detailed report with very actionable things that we can do in terms of like topics to focus on, length to focus on, and it was really cool. Like if you scroll down now, like you'll be able to see like it. Yeah, if you like, zoom out real quick now, scroll down past this. It just asked me like a quick question, but then after that, here it did 20 minutes of reasoning, and here's like its whole analysis. And has links to each of the shorts that those files are each refer to a different short that it refers to like, and it's very good. It's not like some bullshit. Like it told me like we found out that the second we're below 15 seconds, the short is like almost half as bad, and if it's above 30 seconds, like almost every second we're like wasting, we're like significantly reducing the amount of viewership per short. So we kind of found this middle ground of like about 20 seconds is what we want for shorts, and then like topics to focus on that always do well. Like lifting videos, for example, never like blow up, but they always consistently do better than the average. Like our average is like 500 views. The lifting shorts usually get 1,000, 1,500. But then the ones about like specific pop cultural references, like about some Nirvana band member or something about music, will like often do really well. Or political one will get like thousands of views. So all these patterns I noticed, which is really cool. But dude, if you look how detailed it is, it was like, damn.
And
really
like
good.
you said a word that I really like, actionable. Like ChatGPT, if you ask it, build a plan, this, it'll create you an actionable, agenda for you to do. And if you can stick by it, you're setting yourself up for success. And I mean, like, I really like that word. Like, ChatGPT is great to create like actionable things. If you want to save on, finances, ask Chat. It'll break you if you give it enough information. It'll break down your finances for you and help you in the best way. And it's like, create me a cheap grocery list from Walmart that blah 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 blah. It's gonna pull up the Walmart database. It's gonna run an analysis through it. Look at the cheapest options. Look at what you want to eat, and it'll get that list for you. And whereas you would take like maybe an hour or two doing that, he did it in like less than 5 minutes.
Exactly.
So it's like it's such a great tool, but then again, you have to remember it's a tool. You can't use it as a
don't let it use you.
Yeah, you can't use it as a crunch. It's not like, oh, I got homework due in 30 minutes because I procrastinated. Let me plug it all into ChatGPT and copy and paste it.
Exactly.
Because then you don't learn.
Tool is the best word that you used. I love that word too. I mean, dude.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. It's like such a deep analysis.